Amelia needs to go grocery shopping. Her kitchen is almost empty. The refrigerator has very little food. The cabinets are not full. One afternoon, Amelia sits at her kitchen table. She takes a pen and a notebook. She starts to write her shopping list. She thinks carefully. She wants to buy everything she needs. She writes milk, bread, eggs, butter, cheese, yogurt, orange juice, apple juice, coffee, tea, sugar, salt, olive oil, rice, pasta, flour, cereal, oatmeal, honey, jam, peanut butter, chocolate, potato chips, popcorn, chicken, beef, pork, fish, salmon, sausage, bacon, ham, shrimp, lettuce, tomato, onion, garlic, carrot, potato, broccoli, spinach, cucumber, bell pepper, zucchini, corn, pea, apple, banana, orange, grape, strawberry, pineapple, mango, watermelon, lemon, avocado, frozen pizza, ice cream, mineral water, energy drink, soap, laundry detergent, paper towels, toilet paper, trash bags, shampoo, conditioner, toothpaste, toothbrush, deodorant. Amelia looks at her list. It is long. She reads it one more time. She feels organized. She feels ready. Now that the list is complete, Amelia will go to the supermarket. Her shopping afternoon is about to begin. Watch this video many times. Repeat the words out loud and practice your pronunciation. The more you listen, the more natural it feels. Soon, these supermarket words will stay in your mind easily and confidently.